What's good, YouTube? It's your boy StyleFX right here. Today we're back with my Forex Funds challenge, and we're in day 2 right now. Hopefully today we'll have a lot of great setups. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday we made 0.5%, and there's something I forgot to mention about day 1. In day 1 I mean, is that I've been trading a lot with supply and demand previously. I was trading with Doyle Exchange previously, but I never bought his course or his Discord mentorship because I couldn't afford it back then. I still can't afford it, but yeah. Apart from that, he's a great trader, and he taught me a lot. Doyle Exchange. He inspired me to be who I am today. So yeah, hopefully today will be a great day. A lot of great setups. And before we go in with this day, guys, I wanted to shout out to EP No Limit. He invited me to his VIP private group for a free trial. I won the giveaway, and there's actually so much value in there too. He trades supply and demand too, so I'll leave his details in the comments if you want to check him out, guys. And yeah, let's get it today. Okay, so we have another trade opportunity right here on ADUSD. I believe the second trade wasn't really recorded. There was a problem with my recordings, but I was recording a live trade while trading gold, but I'll record this instead, and I will put gold in the end. So this is the second trade of the day. We have a demand here with a break of structure, and it's looking good. It broke this candle, so I go in. We have our TP at 1-to-1, and we're just waiting for it. That's it. Okay, so it doesn't really look good. I don't really like the fact that it's pushing down now, of course. It's just not looking really good on the higher time frames. That's why it's bad with this. That's what I didn't like about this setup. So I will just wait and see how it goes. Hopefully it goes well, but it's not looking really good right now on the higher time frames. Okay, it's not looking good. I think it will lose here. So yeah, I'll just wait and see if it hits tops. It hits tops. I can't really cut the loss early here. I can't really do anything. The trade is just pushing down, and my stop loss is below the candle anyways. So it's just below the candle, so I can't really cut the loss early here. So yes. Okay, so we lost the trade here, but we won one this morning, so we're still up 0.25%, I believe. So we will go on and we will see our next trade, and hopefully it'll be a great day. It's okay, it's just a losing trade. We'll go on. Okay, guys, so this part was supposed to be recorded live traded, but it just I don't know, there was something wrong with my recording. It was stuck on the scene where I have my full face cam, and it didn't show the charts. So I'll just replay it for you and show you guys. So today when I came in the morning, there was this setup here from London session. There was this supply. It's a low probability supply because it doesn't have a gap attached to it. But we had a liquidity sweep up here, so there's liquidity sitting right here. These candles came, then swept the liquidity, came back down, broke structure, broke this swing low right here, made a lower low. I was waiting for a higher high to be made, and then I entered the trade right here. So my first position, I entered right here, I believe. Can't really remember. So this was my first position, okay? And then it went up and then down. You see this? So I actually cut the loss early. I cut it like around here, and my magic keys wasn't really working at this time. So I was risking wrong. I was risking 2% instead of 0.5%. So it was really a big mistake, and I realized that, and I didn't know what to do. So all I had to do was just cut the loss early here, and it actually paid off. I cut the loss here, and stop loss was it. stop stop loss wasn't hit, but yeah, I just got the loss early, and once I saw that it's giving again another break of candle, I just waited and it pulled back, like this candle pulled back above, and I just entered right here, and that was my TP. That was it. And then this trade was just a beauty, man. It just kept running. I think it hit a 1 to 5, but yeah, 1 to 5 I believe. Yes, it's a 1 to 5.5 as you can see here, guys. But I just took what I wanted and I made back the loss, and we went by with our day. So that was the gold trade. And then we had the AD/USD trade that you saw in the beginning, and we lost it. So I was just waiting for my search setup. So my search setup was on GJ. Okay, let me show you. So as you can see, it's really choppy right now, so I'll just replay it for you. It was right here, so I'll replay it for you so you can see. So never mind about that. Okay, so what I have seen here, I've seen a supply, and I've seen that GJ is overselling. Like, as you can see, it's overselling, and it's really overselling. But I look on the 1 hour and the 30 minute. What I see right here, this candle wasn't formed yet, but it's because of trading view. But anyway, even if this candle was like that, there was a gap here. He sees this imbalance here. I was looking for the price to fill this imbalance right here, in between these orange lines. So what I did was basically I marked my supply zones. So this was the first supply zone I had, but then like it was really far. Then I saw this supply zone here. This supply zone here is just following the structure, following the order flow, and I know we're oversold, but I just pulled up my Fibonacci from the start of the day to here, and it was like on the 50%. Based on my rules, I can take trades like that if I have good rejection, and I executed based on that. I believe we had a really good rejection right there, as you can see, guys. I just entered on the break of the candle lows, and the break of the candle lows, I mean the wicks, guys, because some people enter from the body and they asked me about that, but no, I'm entering from the wicks. Okay, and that was my TP was a 1 to 1, I believe. It's right here. So yeah, we just held, TP hit, it reversed. I tried to leave a runner to fill the gaps down there, but it never came down. So I just I was out was like 0.4%. So I still made profits here. I almost made the AD/USD loss back, and then I just had a nice trade with EP. So shout out to EP. Like I said in the beginning, he invited me to his webinar. So I was done with the day. Like here, I was done. I had too many trades. I already took 3 positions. It's too much to handle mentally, and I wouldn't suggest that to beginner traders. But I'm just following a system here, and I'm not trying to over trade, but I'm just following my system, and I'm following what the market shows me. So right here, if you look on NAS, okay, so let me replay that too so it doesn't get really choppy. Okay, so what we saw here, there was a demand, okay, right here, but it's a really low probability demand, and then 930k made this demand, tapped the demand, went up to the supply. Okay, there was no entry here. It was just an aggressive entry if you wanted to enter then demand, and it was really hard. Then what did we have? We have this supply on top with a break of structure, but yes, it didn't break the swing low here, the pivotal swing low that indicates the trend is changing, but it broke this structure. And what was good about this trade, that there was this rejection. As you can see, let me hide this for you guys. As you can see, this red candle just rejected aggressively from here. I didn't enter on the rejection. I was just waiting, and I was waiting for the help of EP, because I was mentally like, as I told you guys, I took like 3 positions today, so that was my limit. But I was waiting for his confirmation too, to see if it aligns with my mind too. You know, I don't want to take a trade where I'm not really focused, because you can't take this many decisions in a day, okay? Because it's financial decisions here, so it's really important to be focused. So what we did, we waited here for the 5 minute, it made a top wick, and then it flipped. As it flipped here, it broke the candle body too, so it was really nice entry. We entered and we targeted a 1 to 1, So yeah, it just played up, it played around a little bit, it went back, and we set our stop loss to break even. I'll play it right here for you guys. And then we hit the TP. TP1 was hit, and the runner was at PE, and the runner got destroyed. So yeah, that's how I made today's profits. And I didn't overtrade because there was another trade here on gold. Let me show it to you guys. And I didn't take it because I was just following my rules. I had it marked up from like the morning, but I still didn't take it. It was this trade right here with the gap attached to it, the supply. And as you can see, broke structure right here. And I believe this was a great trade, and the rejection was great, but I can't over trade like that, you know. I can't take so many positions in a day. Okay, so right here, this was my entry. I didn't take it, but that would have been my entry, and my target is a 1-to-1. I believe it hit 1-to-2 and then it reversed. So yeah, boom, TP smashed like just the first candle, but I didn't get in because that was too much for me already. I think, yeah, it just kept going down. So yeah guys, that was it for today, and hopefully you learned anything from me. If you have any other questions, please comment on my video or message me on my Instagram. I will be willing to help you guys. Thank you EP again, and thanks Doyle for everything. Doyle is the reason I'm still here in this game too, of course. Doyle taught me a lot, and I'm really grateful for him. I really respect him. I messaged him a lot back then on Discord when I couldn't afford these courses or anything, and he still gave me a lot of value, and that's what made me now as a trader. So yeah, and thank you everyone for your support. Let's kill it, day 3 incoming, and let's kill the challenge guys. I can't wait to get the payout with you guys. Let's go.